investors, this is Xtremepicks.com bringing you Global Entertainment Holdings, that's ticker GBHL, traded on the OTCQB. We have to say that Friday was just crazy with our GBHL. 3 p.m. alert. It was trading at only 5.5 cents and only 17,000 traded for the day, but things went mental right away, and especially out of the gates. Definitely saw some wild trading action, mostly driven by the fact there was only 2.1 million shares. Yes, 2.1 million shares float as reported by the company's financials. Let's take a look at the technical charts. As you can see, GBHL quickly moved fast and furious, even reaching an intraday high of 31 cents. Now we have to stress, especially with low flow stock alerts, investors need to pick their price points when entering their buy orders. We have heard that some investors put in market orders, which open up the doors to huge market maker manipulation. Actually, when a market maker sees a market order, especially with a super low float like GBHL, they're just licking their jobs big time. So when market makers will do is sell short into the market, fill market order buys as they gap the price higher. They'll manipulate the stock lowers to cover what they just sold, basically making their own profits on the price spreads. As you can see with Finner's daily short position report, about 500,000 shares were sold short and most likely near the daily high range by these market maker, then covering near closing levels of around 10 to 11 cents. So we want to stress, when trading alerts, especially with low float alerts like GBHL, pick your price points and never put in a market order to let the market makers take advantage. Getting back to Friday's close of 10.2 cents, this is setting up for a solid run next week. Friday's 10.2 cents was up 85%, traded close to total float of about 2 million shares. That's monster volume, monster gains. Also, GBHL held firmly above the psychological barrier of 10 cents, smashing through any short-term resistance, which is now in fact becomes solid support levels for this stock. Technicals are solid and heading into blue sky territory. Looking at barchartcot.com also shows a strong buying indicator. 80% in the near term, 100% medium term buy indication, solid support, and ready to move higher for this week. GBHL is now in production with their latest blockbuster, Mr. Pink, and looking to grab some big talents including Daniel Day-Lewis, Jane Franco, and Josh Duhamel. We are on high news watch also for any updates by the company as they progress through post-production of Mr. Pink. We see also GBHL as a long-term play with strong gains potential of at least 500 to 1,000% gains. But be sure to watch our newsletter for up-to-date information, or better yet, join our Skype room chat and get in the real-time action. It's free, it's easy to join. Just go to skype.com, download the application, and add Xtremepicks to your contacts. This is Xtremepicks, your penny stock connection.